How to publish a video post on Substack. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up with that and we should be easily able to publish a video post. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. Head over to a browser for that and go to substack.com. And this is our dashboard here. You can also head over to the home and create up a post. Maybe this is the first screen we'll be seeing. Now we can start by creating our post. Click on this option called create and drop it down and we can select this option of video here. Click on video and that will take us to this section. So here you can select up a file, click on this option called select file, or you can even drag files here to upload. So click on select file and you can select up a video from your device. So go ahead and click on it, the video, and click on open. Once you've done that, the video will be uploaded here in our right hand side, and the MP4 version is recommended, so just go and do so. If you want to embed it, you can even embed it by YouTube or Vimeo, and Substack will automatically embed it. And once you've done that, you can even write something. You can add up a note or many details available. Click on add, and for now let's close it. We also have the section for title, etc. So go ahead and add in title for your video and a short description or intro text. And optionally, we can also include captions or extra notes. And after that is done, you can click on this option called continue. And you can choose up audience, if it's for everyone or if it's for paid only, if it's for comment from everyone or no one. Even add up tags, add audio to podcast, and even select this option if you want to upload it to YouTube and sign in. And apart from this, so you can click on send to everyone now and confirm it up, or click on publish option. And then that way your video will be published on Substack. And that's it. So you can follow this method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.